Hello friends, here in this video we are going to see how to find out zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here we are going to see grade 10 mathematics chapter number 2 polynomial. Here I have taken one of the sum from exercise 2.2 question number 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So first of all we can find out the zeros of the polynomial, or that is quadratic polynomial, with the help of the factorization method, and then with the formula we'll try to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Let us begin question number 1, that is x square minus 2x minus 8. First of all, we know that this is the polynomial given. So first of all, we'll factorize this polynomial p of x. I'll write it. Let this p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. We need to factorize this. As I have explained about the factorization method, that is, this 8 has to factorize in such a way that the subtraction of both the factors must be equal to 2. You can see 8 should have the different factor. 8 ones are 8, but 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 2 factors must be 4 and 2. So subtraction of both of them would be equal to 2. And here this sign must be minus. So let us write the factors. First of all, I write it as it is, x square. Now 8 has factorized in 2 factors, 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. But here you can see this term is having sign minus. It means out of this 4 and 2, the greater term should have sign minus. 4 and 2 has the greater term 4. So I'll write it minus 4x plus 2x. This is 4 2s are 8. Subtraction of both of this, one has the minus sign and one has the plus sign, means the subtraction will be held. This sign indicate what method we have to do. We need to do the subtraction of both the factors in such a way that we should get the answer 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. But here the sign is minus, so greater term should have the minus sign. Minus 4x plus 2x is equal to minus 2x. So this we have split. Here now I will write it minus 8. You can see x square minus 4x plus 2x is equal to minus 2x minus 8. Now I will take the common from this 2 and I will take the common from this 2 too. Here the x will be common. So in bracket it will remain x minus 4. Plus, here out of this 2 is a common. So what is remaining inside the bracket? That is x. This 2 has gone out. This minus will be as usual. And 2 has gone out of 8. So it is 4 2s are 8. So minus 4. So here we got this common out of this 2. You can see x minus 4 is common. So I will take it common. X minus 4. So what is remaining here? That is x plus 2. So these are the two factors we got it, x minus 4 and x plus 2. While we have to find out the zeros, at that time we have to consider that for p of x is considered to be equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, this is p of x. So we can write it that p of x, both the factor I will write it here. That is x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 4, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Multiplication of both of this is equal to 0. It means either x minus 4 is 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can write it. Therefore I can say x minus 4 is equal to 0, or I can say x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, I can find out the value of x by bringing this 4 at the other side. X is equal to, this 4 will be going, minus 4 will be going at the other side, it would be plus 4. So, x is equal to 4, or x is equal to this plus 2, I will bring it at the other side, then it would be equal to minus 2. Normally we said it to bring it at the other side, but in short what we did here, we have added plus 4 at both the sides, so minus 4 plus 4 will be removed and this side plus 4 will be the answer. Here what we did, plus 2, we have subtracted minus 2 at both the side, minus 2 minus 2, so here plus 2 minus 2 is 0, so here it remain x, and this side it would remain minus 2. So we got two values of the x. We can say two zeros of the polynomial we got it. That is, one 0 is 4 and another 0 is minus 2. So we can say that the zeros of the polynomial, that is px, is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8, has two zeros. The zeros are 4 and minus 2. These are the two zeros, we got it. Now from the formula as well as from the sum of the zeros, we'll try to find out and we will verify, because here you can see the question, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial, that we have find out two zeros, 4 and minus 2, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Let us begin with that, the formula. We know the formula. Let us begin here. Sum of the zeros we know that alpha plus beta is equal to, we are writing it, minus b upon a. What is the meaning of minus b upon a? We know that minus b upon a is equal to minus, what is b? B means coefficient of x. We know the formula. I will write in the short, coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Okay, let us see this particular sum. Then I will write it here, x square minus 2x minus 8. I will compare this along with the standard form. What is the standard form? That we know, ax square plus bx plus c. If we compare that way, you can see what is the value of a. Here nothing, means it is 1. So the value of a would be equal to 1. Similar way, what is b? It is plus b and here it is minus. So I can write it that b is equal to minus 2. You can see b is equal to minus 2. Xx plus b minus 2 means b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 8. C is equal to minus 8. That way I will do it. Let us see. Minus, what is b? You can see what is b. While I compare it with the standard form, b is equal to minus 2. So that is minus 2. I will keep it here. Minus b is equal to minus 2 upon a. A is equal to 1. So that way we got it. That is minus minus plus. Minus into minus will be turned to plus. So that is zeros of the sum of the zeros will be equal to 2. Simply if we will do the sum of the zeros, let me say this is, I will say equation number 1. Sum of the zeros. What are the zeros? We know the zeros are 4 and minus 2. Those 0 will do the simple total of both of them. Let us do it here. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha? That is 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2. So minus, it is 4 minus 2. So that is also equal to 2. Equation number 2. So I can say from equation 1 and 2, sum of the zeros verified. Now let us go for the other thing, that is product of the zeros. Let us go for that, product of the zeros. As per the formula, we know that that is C upon A. What is C? C is the coefficient, or we can say C is the constant term. So I can write it, that is constant term divided by what is A? A is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is the value of C? We know C is equal to minus 8, so I will keep it here. That is equal to minus 8 upon A. What is A? A is equal to 1, so I will keep it here. That is equal to 1. So the product of the zeros is equal to minus 8. We got it? And we'll do it the simple product of the zeros. I'll give this as equation number 3, and here I'll do the product, that is alpha into beta. What is alpha? It is 4, and what is beta? That is minus 2. 4 into 2, that is equal to minus 8. 4 to the 8, and this is minus sign, so it is minus 8. Equation 4. You can see 3 and 4, we got the same, minus 8 minus 8. So we can say from equation 3 and 4, product of the zeros verified. So this way you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient after finding out the zeros with the formula 2. We'll find out first with the method of factorization, and after that you can keep it in the formula, as well as simply do the summation of them and product of them and verify the relation between the formula and the simple calculation. Thank you so much.